Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, July 19. Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie has called a meeting with the island's cleansing officers. The meeting is scheduled for Thursday at the Royalton Hotel in Negril, Westmoreland, and coincides with the recent outbreak of leptospirosis in parts of the country.
Rat infestation is made up of many things. And to single out the garbage collection as the main reason for the rat infestation is unfortunate.
While commending the island's sanitation workers, he says the meeting will be geared towards how the National Solid Waste Management Authority may improve its service. The local government minister was speaking at this week's handover of 4 compactor trucks to the NSWMA to be used for garbage collection. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, yesterday launched a national strategy for the development of statistics, NSDS. Finance and Public Service State Minister Favour Williams says this will support Jamaica's Vision 2030 National Development Plan by providing an enhanced, efficient, robust and up-to-date data system.
As a statistical tool, the National Strategy for Development of Statistics will assist in harmonizing statistical information, which is an essential ingredient in planning, monitoring, and evaluating the development of the country.
Minister Williams says the NSDS will also reduce the duplication of efforts in the public sector by introducing a reliable network for sharing information.
Systems such as this demonstrate a level of integration that investors find appealing, because it means they can be strategic in the legwork they must undertake. And this, ladies and gentlemen, drives growth.
The National Council on Drug Abuse, NCDA, will be embarking on a full-scale youth public education campaign to delay initiation into smoking and to provide young people with information about healthy coping and lifestyle options. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton made the announcement in Parliament yesterday as he responded to a private member's motion on the public health issues arising from tobacco and ganja use.
The adolescent period, therefore, is a time of great susceptibility to social influences presented through the marketing of products, peer group interaction, and of behavior exhibited by role models. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, with the aim to stem the resulting health and economic consequences, primarily prevention strategies are focused on youth and young adults to drastically lower youth initiation and the use of substance abuse.
This campaign will build on the NCDA's hashtag Talk the Truth, hashtag Future Come First prevention program. The program will be implemented over a 2-year period, utilizing mass media campaigns to include social media and special edutainment strategies.
A defining feature of this campaign is the integration of peer and family support strategies to support and maintain behavioral change.
In the meantime, Dr. Tufton says his ministry is currently developing a cabinet submission regarding the Comprehensive Tobacco Control Bill. The Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JSIF, is providing the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, with financial support to host several summer camps for vulnerable youth this year. The two signed a memorandum of understanding on Monday, under which JSIF will provide $3 million in grant support for 700 young people to attend the 2-week residential camps. 5 camps are being hosted across 18 communities between July 9 and August 24. They are being organized in partnership with the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information
in response to the growing demand for targeted social intervention and services to this underserved group to deliver collaborative services that address crime, fear of crime, and other safety issues which concern the community.
Camp facilitators and counselors will be mobilized from the Community Safety and Security Branch, the Corporate Communications Unit, Mobile Reserve, and participating schools. The camp's chief architect is Deputy Commissioner of Police, Novlet Grant.
And it's not just about a summer camp program, ladies and gentlemen. This is a 1-year youth empowerment and mentorship program. We use the summer camp as a launching pad to pick up in the September school year.
The partnership is part of JSIF's wider Summer Camp 2017 initiative. Through this, JSIF is providing $22 million in grant support for a total of 32 camps across the 18 communities that fall under its World Bank-funded Integrated Community Development Project. And finally, The deportation of Jamaicans from the United States will be part of the discussions during next week's staging of the Jamaica 55 Diaspora Conference. Several members of the Jamaica Diaspora Immigration and Deportation Prevention Task Force will participate in consultative workshops to determine these individuals' eligibility to return to the U.S. The workshops will be held on July 27, being observed as Diaspora Day of Service. The Jamaica Diaspora Immigration and Deportation Prevention Task Force was established to educate nationals overseas about their immigration rights and the benefits of becoming citizens of their host countries. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.